Hey guys, okay, this is an introduction to, or let us call it a breakdown of the introduction to our comprehensive 7 days Python absolute beginner's crash course. So in this section, or in this slide, I'll be breaking down everything about Python introductions and how and what Python I use and how you can actually um, get the better understanding of Python. So let's get started. Okay, so this is introduction to Python. So what is Python? Python is a programming language that lets you more quickly and integrate systems more effectively. Learn more, get started whether you're new to programming or an experienced developer. It's easy to learn and use Python. Start with beginners tutorial, which is this one we're actually doing now. We have some definition of Python, like the one I gave you guys during our course today. It's quite different from this because Python is a very broad language. It's a very big language. The developer's name is Eduardo Rosen. It was developed or it was founded on February 20th, 1991. So kudos to everyone. You guys are actually great. So the is a general purpose programming language. You can literally use it for anything, which I will talk later in the future. We'll talk about watch. I'll talk about this much in the future. Use in varieties of fields like machine learning, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data structure, data analysis, and web development. Literally, like I said, literally can use it for anything. So most companies, or it's a most trended programming language. It's a most trended, like it's a trend, like it's a top notch. It's a top notch. For those that do affiliate marketing, it's all called it's also called a green marketing, like evergreen. It's evergreen, like always, always at the top. It has easy and simple syntax, readable codes, not like those from other programming world, just like JavaScript, PHP. You understand that Python syntax are easy and readable, very simple. Let's write and get more. Python allows you to write a few lines of code and gives you more results. Just not like JavaScript, where you have to write a bunch of code just to get some few results. No, in Python, you write few results and you write few codes and get more results. So we've seen that in practical. It's an interpreted object-oriented programming and a high-level programming language. Yes, Python is already interpreted because once you write your code, it prints out immediately. Not like PHP and JavaScript, which are a compiled language. Python is an interpreted language, already interpreted. So it's a high language. You can use it for your OOP and for your scripting language. That's why it's called a high language. You can literally use it for anything. Python can be used to create any type of software or website, be it games, back end, but Node is just a back end language, not a front end language. We discussed about that in our WhatsApp group. It's a it's a back end language. So you can literally use it to create anything, any website or any software at all. Python have powerful libraries to work with varieties of different fields like mathematics, engineering, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the rest of that. So Python have powerful and many are so many libraries, which we won't cover all, but I will try my best to see how many or how far we can actually in this tutorial. So, but if we don't get all, if we don't cover all this tutorial, subsequently, I will be making videos about Python and updating you guys. That's why you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, smash the notification bell so you get notified. These are Python based company software that are based on Python. One of them is the printers. Secondly is uh, the Dropbox. Next is the Quora, Instagram, Uber, and Netflix. All these are Python based program system. Sorry, Python based system. Okay, this is Python scope. There's so many field or scope of Python you can actually dive into. So many of them you can actually enroll, or so many of them which you can find yourself, or you can choose you want to go into. Many of them, some of them, one of them here is artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, image processing, video processing, speech recognition, web development, and game development. Now, the good thing about Python is that probably you want to do, okay, because in this tutorial, for this tutorial, we'll be going with web development. Yes, we're going with web development. So, let's say you want to create a website and you want to integrate video processing. It's very much possible. That is something about Python. Good thing about Python, you can actually integrate one into the other. Like create a website. I want to integrate artificial intelligence. We all know is a website like AI, OpenAI, ChatGPT. We all know about ChatGPT. All those things are built with Python and its powerful libraries. So these are scopes of Python which you might want to go into, which you might want to dive into, and the rest of that. So for this tutorial sake, we'll be talking about web development. So like I said, subsequently I will be making videos about all these schools of Python, and I will try my best to post the videos. So these are the scopes of Python. Then the company that used Python. I have so many thousands of companies out there that use Python, but these are just few of them I want to list here. These are the popular sites we know, and probably we don't know the language they were built on. Now, these are the languages that they were used. These are the company that used Python. They use Python to build their site and the rest of that. So, number one here is Google. Google is one of the most popular advertising company and a search engine company we all know about. Google Chrome, Google this, Google Mail, Google Image, Google Photos, Google this, Google Gallery, Google everything, Google Calendar, Google Map, everything. So all these are built with Python. All the Google everything you've been seeing, the Google Mail, Gmail, yeah, all of that are built with Python. And the Google YouTube also built with Python. The Intel is built with Python. IDF built with Python. NASA built with Python. Facebook built with Python. Reddit, sorry, built with Python. Instagram. All these are companies that use Python. So that, like I said, there are thousands of them out there, but these are the few that use Python. So, with this, I'm actually come to the end of this class. So watch out for the next one. Please, if you're new to this YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up and make sure it's not that notification bell so you get notified when I post videos like this. Thank you.